My name is Isaac Schmidt Jones. I'm in the FTE 217 Modern Sporting Rifle class with Professor Gutierrez. Today I'll be checking the rifling twist ratio. I have my tape measure, patch, marker, some tape for flagging, and a cleaning rod that is on a bearing with a jag at the end. It all fits. I tested it prior to making this video. I tried using the cleaning rod that the school had sent me, but the jag that I was going to use for the 5.56, I couldn't find the adapter to fit that one, so it wasn't quite fitting well, so I used mine. But I do have the jags that was provided, which is a nice set, and the rod as well. But let me get started. Okay, it's in the chamber. I'm going to place my flag at about a 12 o'clock position, and I'm going to make my reference mark right here at the end of the barrel extension. Here it goes. And it is back at the 12 o'clock position. So I'll make another mark for my reference. Push it through. It goes all the way through. Here are both marks. Now, where are they? There's the one. That's the second mark. There is the first mark I made. I will measure them. And it is reading 7 inches, 1/8 inch strong. So that's a 1:7 ratio, which it does match the barrel.